Hello guys, I'm glad to see you. Today I'm gonna show you how to create round text in Figma like this. Okay, how to create this? Step by step. First of all, create frame. Next, click on text and add text and write like subscribe. Next, we need to click on main menu, plugins, manage plugins and find arc. Click on this plugin arc, bend your type and watch. Wait. Oh, I'm sorry. Make this with your text. Click on plugin arc. Okay, and next, edit your text. Look like this. Okay, apply. Wait. Delete all text, and we create round text in Figma. This is so amazing, my friends. Okay, have a nice day.